I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Guys, I got an amazing article about Visa. Visa is hiring for cryptocurrency experience. Very good article. Also, guys, spend your XRP on your Visa MasterCard, Visa credit card, actually. I got a really good article on that also. And guys, like I'm saying, basically behind the scenes, one thing I'm going to show you guys is clearly Ryan Zagone is working with Visa and MasterCard through the Better Than Cash Alliance relationship. He's an advisor to Better Than Cash Alliance. And on that board, you have MasterCard and Visa. So no matter what, basically behind the scenes, Ripple is working with them both. And it also goes into this article right here, how Visa is working with or acquiring Earthport, which has been using Ripple's technology since 2015 with Bank of America. U.S. payment giant Visa seeks crypto and blockchain talent for tech product manager. American payment service firm Visa has published crypto-related job openings in San Francisco. So basically, guys, San Francisco is the Fintech hub now. Ripple Labs is also in California. Global Financial Services Visa is seeking talent for a position in technical product manager at Visa Fintech in their Palo Alto office. The person will be responsible for the execution of Visa's product strategy within the cryptocurrency ecosystem and will be required to manage the roadmap for the crypto-related opportunities. Opportunities knocking, that's for sure. Guys, basically, as far as the requirements for this job, like, it's not like you got to have a PhD in cryptocurrency because, you know, where would you have that degree? Pretty much your degree is your passion, your how long you've been in crypto, you know, what have you studied. I believe this is a, you know, open opportunity here. According to the job description, the person should possess a functional knowledge of the crypto industry and the major players involved, as well as in-depth knowledge of distributed ledger technology and a deep understanding of existing retail payment solutions. XRP, baby. Now, what's interesting right here, guys, is in late 2018, Reuters reported that Visa acquiring a partner of major cryptocurrency company Ripple. So pretty much they're talking about Visa acquiring Earthport, which basically MasterCard and Visa had a bidding war over that technology. So that's interesting. But I also pulled this one out too. Visa CEO, crypto doesn't challenge our hegemony in the short term to medium term. So pretty much what they're saying is, hey, these cryptocurrencies are no threat to us. And clearly you see with them acquiring Earthport, they're very interested in this technology. That's for sure. Also, banking fintech integrates Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. So basically, Spanish fintech Tagg has launched a Visa debit card that allows users to spend their crypto anywhere in Europe where Visa is accepted. Available in 19 countries. And basically, Visa card, XRP. You can do everyday purchases from coffee to pizza with a single swipe of a prepaid debit card. No, guys, I don't know about you, but my cryptocurrency is made for hodling. That's for sure. Now, one thing I wanted to show you guys really quick. Here's Ryan Zagone, Director of Regulatory Relations at Ripple. Now, he's also on the Faster Payments Task Force, and he's an advisor to Better Than Cash Alliance. Wow, that's one thing, guys, about Ripple. He's pretty much on the high-level advisory board at the IMF, Better Than Cash Alliance advisory board. But if you go to Better Than Cash Alliance, here's their Twitter page. I will leave all this links in the description also. They always got really good articles here about, you know, receiving salary digitally, empowers. It's all about, you know, better than cash, all their articles. And Ryan Zagone is an advisor on that board. And the members of that Better Than Cash Alliance members are Visa. So there's Visa right there. And like I said, basically you'll find MasterCard on here also. Visa and MasterCard. And you'll be surprised at some of the other partnerships. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation right there. Gap. MasterCard right here. So pretty much Ryan Zagone is working with Visa and MasterCard do this Better Than Cash Alliance. They're all members, so that means they're working together. Yes, it's not a handshake deal where I'm using your technology, which I believe they already are, most of these partners. But as far as when they have this meeting, you're going to have Ryan Zagoon there, MasterCard. They're all at the group meeting working together. So anyway, like I said, guys, you don't got to look too far to find Ripple or Ryan Zagoon. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. The CKJ coin will come down now. Smash that coin and subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I release one of these quick videos. Mahalo.